For today's video, i-discuss ko sa inyo guys yung promo natin ngayong month and yung mga discount natin and kung paano ba natin makukuha yung mga low down payment. So, umpisahan natin sa 2026 Expander GLS Automatic. SRP 1,259,000, cash discount 110,000, down payment for financing 5,000 pesos, and ang monthly amortization is 26,063 pesos. And for our top of the line 2026 Expander Cross, SRP is 1,378,000. For cash transaction, meron tayong 135,000 cash discount. And naka-promo pa rin tayo guys ng zero down payment for financing. Ang monthly amortization natin is 28,527. And may promo pa rin tayo ng free 1 month amortization or pay after 75 days. And makikita nyo dito sa screen kung gaano kadami yung mga binibigay ko na car accessories na freebies natin. For 2026 L300, SRP is 1,038,380 pesos. For cash transaction, meron tayong 112,000 cash discount. And for financing, naka-zero down payment. Monthly amortization is 21,496. And naka-promo pa rin tayo ng free 2 months amortization or pay after 100 days. And may free LTFRB na rin tayo. And for 2026 Montero Sports GLX Manual, SRP is 1,568,000. For cash transaction, meron tayong 280,000 cash discount. And for financing transaction, naka-zero down payment. And ang monthly amortization natin guys is 30,431. For 2026 Montero Sports GLS Automatic, SRP is 1,927,000. For cash transaction, meron tayong 145,000 cash discount. And for financing transaction is 15,000 down payment. Monthly amortization is 39,892 pesos. And meron pa rin tayong free 1 month amortization or pay after 75 days. For 2026 Montero Sports Black Series 2-wheel drive, SRP is 2,190,000. For cash transaction, meron tayong 97,000 cash discount. And for financing, 130,000 down payment and 45,336 ang monthly amortization. For 2026 Montero Sports Black Series 4-wheel drive, SRP is 2,530,000. For cash transaction, meron tayong 35,000 cash discount. And for financing transaction, 236,000 down payment and 52,375 for monthly amortization. For 2026 Destinator GLX, SRP is 1,389,000. For cash transaction, meron tayong 105,000 cash discount. For financing transaction, 53,000 down payment and ang monthly amortization natin is 28,755. For 2026 Destinator GLS, SRP is 1,599,000. For cash transaction, meron tayong 110,000 cash discount. For financing transaction, down payment is 82,000 and monthly amortization is 33,102 pesos. And for our top of the line 2026 Destinator GT 2-tone, SRP is 1,939,000. For cash transaction, meron tayong 135,000 cash discount. For financing transaction, down payment is 127,000. Monthly amortization, 40,140 pesos. For 2026 Triton GLX Manual, SRP is 1,649,000. For cash transaction, 120,000 cash discount. For financing transaction, 50,000 down payment and 34,137 monthly amortization. For 2026 Triton GLX Automatic, SRP is 1,735,000. For cash transaction, 175,000 cash discount. And for financing transaction, 5,000 down payment and 35,917 monthly amortization. For 2026 Triton GLS Automatic, SRP is 1,959,000. For cash transaction, 184,000 cash discount. For financing transaction, 10,000 down payment and 40,554 monthly amortization. And para naman sa 2026 Triton Athlete 4-wheel drive, SRP is 2,359,000. For cash transaction, meron tayong 259,000 cash discount. And for financing transaction, 15,000 down payment and 48,835 for monthly amortization. So ayun guys, yung updated promos natin and price natin ngayong March 2026. So kung interesado kayo, pwede nyo akong i-message sa aking contact number at sa mga social media account na may kita nyo sa screen.